Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Plymax Cordless Leaf Blower. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Turbo power cleaning performance. Experience powerful airflow with this cordless leaf blower featuring an 800,000 RPM high-speed motor. Quickly clears wet leaves, dust, and debris. Stronger than standard air blower tools, perfect for yard, driveway, and garage cleaning. Dual-speed nozzles, true versatility. Unlike basic handheld blower models, Plymax includes a wide nozzle for large areas and a precision jet nozzle for tight spaces. Easily switch between leaf blower, cordless outdoor cleaning and detailed indoor or car applications. Long runtime with dual batteries. This battery-powered leaf blower includes 2 pieces 21 volts lithium batteries for extended runtime. Swap batteries for uninterrupted use. A dependable solution for users seeking a powerful and efficient cordless cleaning tool. Lightweight and easy to handle. Designed as a handheld leaf blower cordless, this compact and ergonomic unit reduces fatigue during long use. Ideal for homeowners looking for a small leaf blower cordless that is portable and easy to control. Versatility beyond just leaves. More than a standard leaf blower, this portable tool easily cleans patios, lawns, garages, driveways, outdoor furniture, dust, debris, and dry leaves with controlled airflow. It also works as a car dryer air blower for vehicle drying and detailed cleaning in tight spaces. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.